Hello and welcome to Music Lessons with Tony Valley. Today we're going to be continuing the Rain Song. In today's lesson we're going to be covering measure 30 through measure 41. The last lesson we left off on measure 29, and I'm going to take you out of measure 29 and go right through, and I'm going to play through all of the measures that we're going to be covering today for you in the beginning right here. So we're going to start off on measure 29. We're going to play right through to measure 41. All right, that's the end of measure 41 right there. Again, I took from measure 29 and played through to measure 41. Now let's break it down, and I'm going to come out slowly out of 29. All right. And a lot of these measures are very similar to the other measures. There's a few variations. I'm going to play them straightforward. Again, when the live version, actually the studio version, they're all different, and there's slight variations between the notes, but you can play it through. You can copy exactly what you like, whatever version you're listening to. But right now, let's take it out of 29. Go real slow. Now right there is where measure 29 ends, and then we're going to add our third finger onto the 4th fret, 3rd string, and you're going to strike the 5th, 4th, and 3rd. All right, and that's going to be the first part of measure 30. All right, then there's a new thing we're going to do. We're going to add in the 5th string. You're going to hit that 8 times. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now we're going to set up measure 31, and that's going to be that strum holding the 3rd finger on the 7th fret 4th string and the 4th finger on the 7th fret 2nd string, and striking the 5th through the 1st. And that's that first part, all right, of that drop down. All right, again, measure 29, 30, and 31. We're going to play it right now. All right, now measure 32 is exactly like we played before. You're going to slide down to the 6th fret and strike your 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string with the 3rd and 4th finger sliding down from the 7th fret, remaining on the 2nd and 4th string, your 4th finger on the 2nd string, your 3rd finger on the 4th string, but now we're on the 6th fret. And you're just going to strike the strings again. All right, in this measure 32, he actually just rings it out and goes. All right, but if you'd like to come out of measure 31 and do like you did before in the prior measures, you can do that too, okay? Now measure 33, you're going to move down to the 5th fret, and you're going to do that part that's, okay? And you go into that chord right there, which is with the 2nd finger on the 4th fret 3rd string, 3rd finger on the 4th fret 5th string, and the 4th finger on the 5th fret 2nd string. And you're going to hit the open 5th string first, and then you're going to strike the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string together. You're going to hit that twice, just like we did before. And then you're going to add your 3rd finger in, your 1st finger onto the 3rd fret, and you're going to release your 4th finger off of that note. So now you're going to be covering your 3rd fret, 2nd string, 2nd finger on the 4th fret, 3rd string, 3rd finger on the 5th fret, 4th string, and you're gonna hit that once. That's striking the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd. Then you're gonna move down, and again, you can slide your 1st finger down if you like from this chord, or you can move your position and move your fingers to hit it. Whatever you like, whatever is easiest for you. So let me take measure 33. Okay? Once again. Then it's going to go strike your 4th and 3rd string, and then you're going to take your first finger and bar it across the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string across the 3rd fret. Okay? So let's put measure 33 together. All right. Measure 34, you're going to keep that first finger barred coming out of measure 33, and you're going to hit your 4th, 3rd, 2nd. Then you're going to strike your 5th string twice and move your first finger down to the 2nd fret, and now only cover the 4th and 3rd string on that 2nd fret and strike those 2 notes together. Okay? So we're going to backtrack a little bit. We're going to go 33 into measure 34. Okay? And again, there's notes ringing out in there. You can do whatever you like. I mean, we can be real, cautious on what we're doing here and play it exactly like the album. Right here, most of these parts do repeat, and there's slight variations on them, but you can play them straight through. And these parts, again, are mirror images of what we did before. And there's going to be a lot of repeats in here, but again, the live version and the studio version have variations in there. So we're going to go right now to measure 35, and we're going to strike your 5th, 4th, and 3rd string with holding the first finger on the 2nd fret, 4th string, 3rd finger on the 4th fret, 3rd string. You're going to strike those 3 strings together twice. Then you're going to strike your 4th string, 5th string, 4th string, 5th string. Okay? Now at the end of measure 35, we're going to go up into that part that comes down. Okay? So right now we're going to go from 35 into measure 36. Okay, that's the end of measure 35. Now to 36, slide down to the 9. And again, that's with your 3rd and 4th finger covering your 4th and 2nd string. So you're going from the 11 to the 9th, to the 12th, to the 11th. Then you're going to slide down to your 4th fret, all right, and then slide up to your 9. And then you're going to add your first finger onto the 8th fret, 5th string. And again, we did this before, but I'm just going through this again. Let me come out of measure 35 into 36 and into 37 right now. Okay. And again, this is measure 36, the end of measure 36, going into 37. All right, that's going to be the slide from the 4th. Now I'd like to strike the 5th, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd. They just strike the 2 strings together that holding down, but I like to kind of ring it out. All right, so it falls up and it sounds nice and smooth. Again, that's sliding from the 4th fret to the 9th fret, hitting your 5th, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string together. Then you're going to add in your first finger on the 8th fret, 5th string. Okay? So right now, I'm going to go right into 37. We're going to come out of 36. And we're going to play measure 37 in full. All right, now we're going to go back to the 11, to the 9th. And this is going to measure 38, to the 11. Now do that slide again. This is the ending of 38 now. It's going to slide right into 39. All right. So right now, let's go from end of measure 36 to 37, okay, into 38. Okay. All right. Now right there at that measure 39, all right, what we're going to do right there is we're going to end on that 9 going up, all right, then adding that first finger onto the 8th fret, 5th string, and right now we're going to pluck the 5th string and the 4th string, and that's with covering the 8th and 9th fret, and we're going to go up to the 10th fret. Right here, this is the end of measure 39, and you're going to put your first finger on the 10th fret, 2nd string, second finger on the 11th fret, 3rd string, third finger on the 12th fret, 4th string, and you're going to strike the 5th, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string together, and you're going to hit that and slide down to the 9, 10, and 11. So again, you're going to take that chord. All right. Now right there, we're at measure 40. All right. Measure 40, you're going to hold on to that chord going in out of 39. And you're going to pluck the 5th string, 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string. Let's get that right again. 5th string, 4th, 3rd, 2nd string. Now, right there, once you hit that 9th fret, you're going to take your 4th finger and you're going to hit the 12th fret, 2nd string, keep your chord down, and you're going to hit that one string. You're going to do a pull off from the 12th fret to the 9th fret using your 4th to the 1st finger. Now, it gets a little tight in there, so you're going to really round your fingers in here, okay, to get that note in there. Again, this is measure 40. You're going to go, okay? You're hammering on. Actually, you're going to hammer onto the 12th and pull off. All right, so let's take that again. Okay, hammer on, pull off. So you're going to be hammering on to the 12th and then pulling off to the 9th. All right, so hammering on from the 9th to 12th, pulling off from 12th to 9. Okay, measure 40. Hit the 9th fret again, 2nd string. Keep your 1st finger where it is. Switch your 2nd and 3rd finger around. Your 2nd finger is going to cover the 10th fret, 4th string. 3rd finger is going to cover the 10th fret, 3rd string. And you're going to strike the 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string. Okay? All right, right now we're going to go into measure 41. You're going to remain at the 10th fret and the 9th fret with that chord right there that we ended with on measure 40. You're going to strike your 5th string open, 1st string open, and then you're going to strike your 4th, 3rd, 2nd string, and then you're going to go 12th fret. All right, and you're going to use your pinky. You're actually going to slide down from the 12th fret, release your fingers, and slide from the 12th fret to the 9th fret on that 2nd string with the pinky. Right now we're going to come out of measure 40 and go to measure 41. All right, now let's do a recap. We're going to play right through the measure 29 to measure 41. And this is what we covered today. All right, that's going to do it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to email me at tonyvalley@tonyvalley.com. We'll see you for the next one.